Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at a paper from the Hugging Face trending list, published on October 7th, 2025, just yesterday. It unveils a tool-grounded process reward model that lifts tabular reasoning at test time, improving downstream policy large reasoning models by 30.9%, and outperforming bigger verifiers like Qwen 2.5, Math PRM 72B, with only 8B parameters. The paper is titled TaTToo, Tool-Grounded Thinking PRM for Test Time Scaling in Tabular Reasoning, and the implications for model training are quite significant. The approach splits rewards across table actions and inner reasoning, verifies with tools such as Python or SQL, curates over 60,000 annotated steps, and trains via supervised fine-tuning then reinforcement learning, generalizing across multiple test time scaling strategies. Figure 1 shows that step verifiers help at small sample counts but then plateau as more solutions are considered. Best of n means sampling several answers and picking the highest scoring one. The fact-checking panel flattens near 80%, which signals limited gains once the pool grows. The numerical reasoning panel stalls around 70% even for the strongest verifiers, so extra compute brings little benefit. The data analysis panel levels off near 33%, reinforcing the same ceiling across tasks. So while Figure 1 showed performance plateaus, Figure 2 shows where the mistakes actually come from. The largest share is table retrieval, about 48%, which indicates the verifier misses whether the pulled subtable truly matches the query. Schema interaction, meaning reasoning over selected rows and columns using the table structure, contributes about 34%. Inner thinking accounts for about 9%. Other steps add roughly 9%. So Table 1 makes the bottleneck concrete. Specific step errors fool the verifier. The table presents 3 cases that align with the distribution we just discussed. In table retrieval, the model selects the wrong columns, and the verifier marks it as correct. In schema interaction, which means operating over the chosen rows and columns using the table structure, the model omits a cell, and the verifier again approves it. For inner thinking, a faulty averaging step is finally flagged as incorrect. Alright, coming off that table, Figure 4 shows the end-to-end TaTToo framework that turns noisy chains into verifiable steps. The figure means the verifier supervises table actions and inner thinking separately, while tool-grounded verification uses external programs to check each step. The top pipeline curates about 60,000 labeled instances by generating trajectories, assigning rewards, and inserting tool calls. The bottom panel trains in 2 stages, supervised fine-tuning, then reinforcement learning, so step scores align with tool-checked evidence. So Table 2 reports the head-to-head results, and it means the tool-grounded verifier delivers the strongest test time scaling across all tabular tasks. This table shows that an 8B TaTToo surpasses larger verifiers like Qwen 2.5 Math PRM 72B. Average gains approach about 31%, which signals substantial policy improvement. On data analysis, accuracy climbs to 34% at group size 32. Numerical reasoning keeps improving instead of flattening near 75%. So the core takeaway is simple. Grounding the verifier in tools and splitting rewards across table actions and inner reasoning breaks the plateau and lifts test time scaling, with about 31% average gains from an 8B model. A second implication is broader. Structured tasks benefit when verification executes, not just reads. Thanks for listening. I am Alex, and this was the AI Research Roundup.